Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I am going to demonstrate if you want to install Docker or if you want to use Docker in your Windows system, then how we can install that. And I will also show you some of the basic Docker command. Okay guys. So I am in the browser. So first here search Docker desktop kind of thing. And if you go here, let's go to here. And here we have one download option, download Dockers. So Docker can be support like Mac and Windows and as well as Linux. Okay. So today our agenda is for Linux. So let's download, our agenda for Windows. So let's download the Windows version of the Docker. So in my system, Docker is already installed or not, that how I can check. So if I search here, Docker PS, right? Then if you see, right, Docker is not recognized, right? That means Docker is not installed in this Windows system. So let's download this. So downloading in progress. So maybe it will take few minutes. So once it is completed, then we'll install this Docker in our Windows. So just double click on that. So installation in progress. Just wait for a few minutes. So once the installation is completed, right, then we'll see that. So here installation is completed. So let's just close this window. Now what we can check, like here, let's check that Docker PS. So still Docker is not recognized. Why? Because this command prompt is already open. So let's open one more time this prompt here. Just type here. Let's learn tech and come here. Docker PS. Docker is not started. So but at least now Docker, that command is not found, is not giving that error message. So now I need to start the Docker engine. So once I start the Docker engine, now I am able to type that command. So let's do that. Click on OK. Skip for now. Now it is starting the Docker engine. Now Docker engine is started. So now let's Docker PS. Now I can see that there is no image is running. So if I want to check that what all image I have available in my system, dock, yeah, Docker image. So there is no images also. So since there is no image, so no image, and Docker PS also it is working. So this is how we can install our Docker in our Windows system. And this is how we can install Docker in Windows. So I hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you feel this video is valuable to you guys, then I will request you guys, please like this video and share surrounding with your friend. And to support me, please do like, subscribe, and share surrounding with your friend. Okay guys, chalo, see you in my next video. Bye.